This is a plastic case. You can use three different products. You can use primer, and you can use Germany glue. It's named Black Ball. First, you apply both sides primer. You apply another side, both sides. And after 30 seconds, you can use glue. And hold it. If you want a more fast chemical reaction, you can use activator. Don't touch it, put activator on the top, any way that this activator that is come down, and it will be chemical reaction. You can see that I did be fine. Okay. And keep a few seconds for chemical reaction. Okay. And you can see that it's bonded. Okay. And how strong, and already